Hello friends, welcome to my channel Chalo Padhein. Today in this video I am going to discuss with you class 10th subject IT code 402 and the chapter is electronic spreadsheet. As you know that now your syllabus is changed, so I will discuss with you according to your new as well as latest syllabus. First, I want to say you thank you for subscribing as well as liking my channels as well as my videos. Those who have still not subscribed, subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss how to do the calculation across worksheets. Means I am having a data on sheet 1 as well as on sheet 2 and I want to calculate on sheet 3. How you will calculate? As you can see that I have created a sales report 2016 where I have written name, quantity, April, May, June. I have done the total also of this. Right? On sheet 1, I have renamed by right click here. I have renamed and give the name 2016. Then I have clicked on another sheet which I have renamed with 2017. I am having another sales report of 2017. Here again that type of data is there. April, May, June, where you can enter your data of the sales. Now I have done the total also individually of 2016 first quarter sales and on second sheet 2017 sales. In this you can see I have done a total by putting a formula. By clicking here you can see the formula. By doing the auto sum you can do the total. You can see the formula D4 to F4 I have added. Here D5, F2, F5, D6 which I have already discussed in my earlier videos how to do the calculation. So you can see that this I have done a total in this way. It is a total of above 1. Right? This is I have put a formula here this way and it is a total of this one. Clear? This way I have created two sheets. One is the quarter sale of 2016, another is the quarter sale of 2017. Now what I need to do, I need to create a consolidated sheet on sheet 3 where I am right clicking. I am renaming and I am writing here consolidate. Mean I am doing a consolidate, or you can say calculate data across worksheet, or you can say how to consolidate two sheets on a next one. You can see it is my blank sheet. Now what I am doing, it is sales report 2017, it is sales report of 2016. Now here I am writing consolidate sales report 2016 2017. Clear? Whichever font style you want to give, you can give. Whatever size you want to give, you can give. Any color you want to give, you can give. Right? Now, same structure I want. Because my items are same, I am copying it and I am pasting the same item. Or what you can say, you can type also if you want to type. Same I want these headings. Right? in spite of writing, I am just pasting it so that it will be same. Now, here I need to put the formula. Because in 16 I am having different quantities, in 17 I am having different quantity, in 16 I am having different sales, in 17 I am having different sales. Now consolidate means I am doing total of both the sheets. So now you need to come on the third sheet, and what you need to do, you need to write here the formula. Start with equal to sign, then you will write sum. Start the bracket, first sheet name is 2016, then put an exclamation sign. Now you need to know the cell address. Cell address of this is B4. I have clicked, it will automatically come C4, comma. My next sheet is 2017. Then put an exclamation sign, then put C4. Some error is there. I have here it is an error. By the chance it came. You can see what I have written. I have written the sheet name in single commas, then exclamation sign, then the cell address from where I am picking. Here my quantity is 20, here my quantity is 15, and now it is showing me here 35. So sum is the formula which I am putting in brackets. In single commas I am putting the first sheet name, exclamation, then the cell address, comma, single comma, second sheet name, exclamation. So this way, if I will drag, you will see it is doing the total of all. 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 30, 55. 30 plus 35, 65. Clear? Again for April I am putting it so that it will be more clear to you. Equal to sum 2016, then this sign, then I want D4, comma, I am picking the next data from 2017. Which mistake I have done right now? I have not put the comma, even then it takes automatically. See, 550, how? 250 plus 305. Or by dragging it, it is consolidating your data. Even by dragging it whole, you can do. What is this dragging? Drag means to copy paste the data. This is the way to consolidate put the formula. When your data is on two different sheets, you can combine the data on the third sheet. This is the way to do the calculation by picking the data from different sheets. Clear? It is not compulsory that you need to put only sum. Whatever formulas are here, average, count, anything you can put. Right, suppose after this I want to calculate average also. I have written average. Average of what? These two totals equal to average 2016. Sorry. Here you can write like this. In single comma you will write 2016, exclamation sign. You are writing G4, comma 2017 G4. Means I am taking the average of both the totals. See, it is 750, it is 1350. So what is the average? 1050. Clear? So you can put any formula whichever you want to put. Clear? This way you can combine two different worksheets. In my next video, I will discuss how to join two workbooks. This is under one workbook, we are joining two sheets. Even we can join from the two workbooks also, that we will discuss in my next video. Up to that, practice it and clear your concepts. And write your doubts in the comment box. Thank you. Stay safe. Thank you, students.